How'd you do it though? What'd you tell me you did it with?
My muscles.
His muscles. Show them, everybody. Show everybody. Show them muscles. Oh man! Hey guys, welcome back. Kids out here playing. It is pretty wet. You can see rainy mud holes are everywhere. Wind's blowing really bad. Let me get over here behind the truck. You can hear me a little bit. Maybe that's a little better. All right, so you can see I got the tractor hooked up here. What I'm going to do, right back behind it back there is where we're going to plant the garden at this year. So I'm going to unload this tractor, till me up a little spot, and we'll see what it looks like. Stay tuned, guys. You guys see him run through that screen? He thought I was going to run him over. I was just pulling the tractor up here where I could fill it up with fuel. Woo! These new cans out here will wear you out. You know, you got a push out button in, hold them up, all that stuff. It's for the birds. I don't like it. Let's get in here and see what she's got.
Yeah, it stayed light till around 7:30 last night or so. Say hi.
Hi.
Where's Hunter? Oh, there he is. What?
That looks fine to me.
What do you want him to do?
Stop and get ready to plant.
What do you want to plant?
You know,
What kind of stuff?
Grandma's idea.
What do you want to plant? What kind of vegetables?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes? What else?
Cucumbers to make pickles with.
Cucumbers? What else?
I know.
What do you want?
Pears.
Pears? Those come from trees. We're planting vegetables.
Let's make some squash for you.
Squash, yeah, Mama likes squash. What else?
Okra.
What?
That's what I want. Everything that we made last time.
You do.
Yeah.
What do you want, Hunter? Want some corn on the cob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Layla, you digging holes?
Yeah. I think Layla likes the garden. Hopefully she don't dig out the seeds.
Well, Mama will have less mowing this year.
What'd you do?
I dragged it over there.
What is it?
That log, that big log.
What'd you do it with?
I put it right there.
How'd you do it though? What'd you tell me you did it with?
My muscle.
His muscles. Show them everybody. Show everybody. Show them muscles. Oh man. He's old. Look at that line right there. Got them big old muscles. He's funny. See, I got the trailer or the tractor parked back over here. I'll show you this garden here. We got it all tilled up. I went and tilled up the neighbor's garden also. That's the log you moved?
Yeah.
You moved that big old log by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow, you're strong. All right, you can see the garden here. Got it all tilled up. Pretty big area here. Got Sissy working. Sissy, what are you doing?
I'm making a pile of the grass.
You getting all the grass out?
Uh-huh.
That
I was making piles.
a girl. You can see, it's pretty long also. So I may till it again Thursday. Let this grass die that's on top and till it again. Then we got some potatoes we're gonna plant. We're gonna plant some corn, okra, tomatoes, sunflower, cucumbers, squash, whole lot of everything. We got, yeah, everything we made last time plus some potatoes, Hallie said. I got some cattle panel we're gonna use to make some little arches for stuff to grow on, so we don't gotta dig underneath leaves on the ground. Just some stuff like that to make it easier for us. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet here at Morehead Homestead, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button also and click that notification bell to stay up to date. From everybody here at Moorhead Homestead, thank you. God bless.
They look.
Go like kind of.
Man, you strong. Pull.
Finally, the same pile. I can do it. Pile that's closest so I don't. Look, my man, I just made a little bit.
Oh, there we go. It's moving.